Well, hello and welcome to the GPIDS program. My name is Jimmy Ballard. I am a professor in the Department of Microbiology and Immunology. I'm also chairman of this department. I've led a research program for the past 23 years, and I've trained almost a dozen students during that time. Many of those students have gone on to earn a PhD in my lab. And so I've been asked to tell you about what a mentor does, and I think I have enough experience to kind of share with you my ideas of what a mentor does. So a mentor does several things for you during the process. As you do your rotations and you're trying to select the lab that's of interest to you, one of the biggest factors in making that decision will be who's the mentor. Does that mentor really match my personality and my interest? Is that the kind of person who is going to be there for me daily to help develop projects and do the work that needs to be done to advance your career? And so you're going to find that this is going to be one of the biggest things that helps you decide which lab you eventually select for your training process. So in a practical sense, the mentor is there to advise you. They advise you on selecting classes. They advise you as you're developing your project. They advise you as you're preparing for your qualifying exam, something that will happen in the second year. Financially, the mentor is the person that's going to have the grant support that you need to carry out your research. So you're going to be dependent upon them to be a successful scientist who's able to support you through your time in graduate school. On a daily basis, the mentor, your PI of the lab, is going to be there for you to answer questions, to meet with you, hopefully quite often, at least once a week, to sit down and talk about the progress you're making on your projects, to talk about some of the technical problems that you have and help you solve those. So there's the scientific aspect of a senior scientist helping you become your own independent scientist through this process as you work your way to earning a PhD. The mentor is also there to help you make very important career decisions and to provide feedback as you're developing your thoughts and your plans for what you want to do at the next stage of your career. A very important role of the mentor is to advise you during that process, to get you to meetings, to help you meet the right people, to direct you in ways that will help you meet the goals of your career. You're going to find that the mentor develops a very strong relationship with you. It's hopefully a nurturing, supportive relationship where your best interests are in mind, and the mentor is thinking about how they can help you become a much better scientist, and eventually someday maybe you can be a mentor on your own, and through some of those things that you've learned from the mentor that you select. So again, I really want to thank you for joining our program. I hope you find it to be a very fulfilling experience. I know you'll find it to be a very challenging experience, but in the end, you're going to be a fantastic independent scientist, and that's what we're all looking forward to seeing. So best of luck.